tutorial we are discussing about how to use packages. So first of all, what is package in Java? A Java package is a group of similar type of classes, interfaces and subpackages. If we want to group a type of class, interface and subpackage in a folder, then we can use the concept of packages. So packages provides the naming convention to our classes also. Packages in Java can be categorized in two forms, that is built-in packages and user-defined packages. Built-in packages are the standard packages which are already built by our Java programmers for the utility, and user-defined packages are those type of packages which is defined by the user for their convenience. So there are many built-in packages such as Java, Lang, AWT, JavaX, Swing, Net, IO, Utils, SQL, etc. So different types of built-in packages are already available in our program for in our JVM for make our concept of Java easier. So let's discuss about the advantages of Java packages. How Java packages helps is in our program. So Java packages used to categorize the classes and interface so that they can be easily maintained. Yes, we can easily call or maintain our program or our class with the help of Java packages. Java packages provide access protection. With the help of Java packages, it gives a little bit security. That means that if we want to get access, then we can only get access. Java packages removes naming collision. Yes, if we want to name a class with the same name, two different class with the same name, then it can't be possible, because if we save a program with two different name with the same name but two different classes, then it shows us error. But if we use two different packages, and inside the different packages, if we make the same classes, it can easily runnable and easily executable, because it doesn't show any error. So it removes the naming collision. Next is how to compile Java program packages. If we are not using any IDE, so what happens with the help in case of IDE, that it only runs the program and all the operations are already done by the IDE. But when we are not using any IDE, then we have to follow the following syntax given below. First one is Zavak -d and then the directory and then Java file name. Here directory means on which location we have to save our program. Just like if we want to save this program on my packages, then I have to write it Zavak -d my packages and then our Java file name. For example, Java -d.simple.java. The -d which specifies the destination where to put the generated class file. So where we have to put the generated class file, we can provide the location there. You can use any directory name like home in case of Linux, d.abc in case of Windows, whatever the operating system it is, we can change the destination. And if you want to keep the packages with the same directory, you can use dot. And if we want that the packages with is in the same directory, then we can use the dots operator. Let's discuss about how to run Java package program. You need to use fully qualified name, that is package name and then class name. So that is mypack.simple. If we want to run the program that is a class file name simple and which is in the mypack package name, then how can we run it? We just write simple Java mypack.class name. To compile, we use Zavak -d dot space dot simple dot Java, and to run we simply use Zavak package name dot class name. The D is a switch that tells the compiler where to put the class file, that is, it represents the destination. And the dot operator represents the current folder. So let's see the code, how we can implement the packages in our program. About how to use package. First of all, we just write package and then my pack, which is the package name. And then in public class simple, and then in the main method I just write system.out.println welcome to package. So all the things are similar to that we do in the previous examples. Only if we want to use the packages, then the one statement we have to write is the package my package. And in by the using this statement, this class simple is located in inside a package, that is my pack. So for using the packages, we have to compile it with the different form. Let's compile it. First of all, just save it and let's execute it. So we are already in our file location. So just write Zavak -d space dot space our class name, that is simple.java. We already know that -d represents the destination folder and dot means the destination is in the current folder, and then enter. So it shows it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. For execution, we just write Java and then the package name where our class is stored. So my class is stored in my.pack and then the class name and then enter. See, it will execute and give me the answer welcome to package. So in this way, we can create the and utilize the packages in Java. We don't need to do anything else. We just write the simple package and then the package name, and by using this statement we are using the packages in Java. So in this way we are implementing the packages in Java. Thank you.